Today we're going to be talking about advice we give to fresh graduates to aid them through the whole application process. From knowing what you want to do to making sure your application is strong enough to be considered. Hopefully this video may ease any concerns you may have about starting work.
One thing I tell my candidates is not to wait for the perfect role. It can be very difficult to find a position in the industry. So if you can find one, take it, get a year's experience because it really helps you find your perfect role. Otherwise, you can find yourself waiting a year for a position and that will not look good. You don't want a gap on your CV. If you've come straight out of uni and you go straight into a job, it's going to look fantastic.
So I'd say if you have a good idea of exactly what you're going to be doing, find yourself some specialist recruiters. They'll know the market, they'll know the companies that will be of interest to you and can help open those doors for you where otherwise you might find it hard.
I would include a statement on your CV about what you want to do in your career or what job roles you're looking to pursue. So whether it's a recruitment agency looking at your CV or a potential employer, they can review your CV and ensure that the conversations they're going to have with you are related to what your motivations are and what you want to get from your career.
You should always tailor your applications, especially any cover notes. Don't just send out bulk applications. Make it specific to the job, explain why you're good for that job. Any relevant work experience or placements that you've got, make sure that's on the cover letter as well because it will really make you stand out amongst all the other candidates.
While you are kind of scouring the market and looking for what's out there at the moment, definitely kind of online courses and keep your skills fresh, because I know it's obviously a bit different coming out of university and going into your first job, so anything you can do to kind of keep your skills fresh and kind of enhance them in any way, it's definitely worth doing.
Include as much detail on your CV about what you did during your degree. So things to include: what modules did you cover? Any key projects? I would also go into detail about what you did for your final project and the end result. And I would also include what different software packages you may have used during your degree. For example, if you're applying for a mechanical design engineer, make sure you put what CAD packages you have used, so SolidWorks, Inventor, as these are the things that are going to stand out to your future employer.